Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to give you my honest review of a lunch bag that I've been using for a month now by EVERFUN. So I use this lunch bag when I have to go to town because I live 35 miles from the closest town and it's over 100 degrees here in Texas. So I always need to take cold drinks with me for my trip there, while I'm in town, and when I'm driving back home. So this I have really put to the test. So I also use it because I have to pick up my grandson after school every day. And I take drinks, of course, and then I also bring him a snack for the ride home because he's always starving when he gets out of school. So let's go over some of the features of the bag. The bag is 10.5 inches by 10.5 inches square, and it's 6 inches deep on the side. So it's pretty deep, and you can fit a lot of stuff in there, and I'm going to show you that. So it has the handle here with the snap. It does come with a long strap that you can put on it. In the back of the lunch bag, you have a pocket here. And then we're back to the front. So we have a pocket here, and it has this little elastic band, I guess, to hold things you want to hold in here, maybe so they don't move around. Okay. As you can see, it has this little rose stitched into the pattern right here on the front. And then we have another pocket. This, you can open it up to see what's inside your bag. Okay, so I put in here 6 water bottles to show you that it will hold 6 of these 16.9 ounces, so about 17 ounces, water bottles from Walmart. It holds 6 of them very easily. Okay. You can see the inside of the bag has this silver lining for insulation. It's really nice and thick. Quality is actually pretty good. This bag cost about $20 on Amazon. So for $20, it looks really nice and it actually works very well. As I said, the temperatures are like 100 degrees here, and in your car, it's even hotter. And I have taken this bag with me to town with drinks just from the refrigerator with no like ice pack or ice or anything inside. I tested it different ways. I put just cold water bottles from the refrigerator in here, and I went to town for about 7 hours. I got my hair cut. I went shopping at probably 5 or 6 stores. I did all kinds of errands. And guess what, guys? My water bottles at the end of the day was still cold. And I added no ice pack or anything to this. Okay? So I can tell you it does work. Let's put this aside. The bottom of it is actually quite large. And just for an example, I put this big 3-pound pack of sausage in here to show you it fits with no problem. Okay? You can also put a dozen of eggs. This is just to give you an idea of the size of this lunch sack. You see how a dozen eggs fits in there fine? Okay. You can put 2 water bottles and maybe some apples. Let's see. Let me get apples. There we go. So there's a nice afternoon snack. You got your water bottles and your apples. No problem. All right. Up here in this section, you can fit all of these containers. When I say all of them, I mean each of those sizes. So these are some pretty big containers right here. So if you like to take your lunch to work, you really could put a lot of food in here. This container fits with no problem. Look at that. Probably throw some apples in here. It's going to close with no problem. Probably put a couple containers in here. Okay, so I got the lids so that you can see that you can actually fit both of these containers. So if you're going to take this for your lunch, for school or work, it easily holds 2 of these large Rubbermaid containers. Okay. Look, we can put both of those in there easily. We actually still have some room right here on the side. We'll probably throw some other snacks in there. Look at that. We've got 3 apples. We could probably put 4 apples in there and 2 containers. And let's zip it up. And there you go. Look at that. Perfect. So this little bag, it really holds a lot. And I did want to say the zipper on the bottom is really nice. It's like a thick metal zipper that's like heavy duty. The metal one, not a nylon one. The ones up here, the zippers up here do look nylon though. So you need to be careful with that. But the bottom zipper is a metal zipper, a gold metal zipper. And this little nameplate is gold here, so I don't know if that matters to you. But yeah, look at that. We can put all of that in our lunch bag. Now, like I said, when I pick up my grandson after school, I always take him some sausage, a bottle of water, and an apple. And I use this lunch bag to carry his food in, and it works perfect. All right, guys. So I just wanted to give you my honest review of the EVERFUN lunch bag that you can get either on their website or on Amazon. All right. For $20, it's very large. And it actually works really good because, like I said, it's very hot here in Texas. And I use this lunch bag every day. And it always keeps the food cold. All right. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.